Here kind of acts like between the lemon juice and the red wine, you got your vinegar going. Okay, and then we're going to drizzle in some nice olive oil. It's kind of working together here. All the stuff in here.
Oh yeah.
This is how we do that, Tony.
There you go.
Okay. Looks pretty good. More wine.
So what looks like?
I thought that looked a little scant there. Maybe a little more dust. How are we coming? Oh yeah.
Oh, yeah.
That's going to be nice there.
Even better tomorrow.
Then when you get down in here, the artichokes we made earlier in the day, because even though they have a lot of nice white wine and olive oil in them, they need to have a chance to get vulnerable in that juice. And so Addie made this morning, so this is on here. We're going to serve that for you so you can see how that is.